Beautiful day down there, 89 degrees Fahrenheit, about 32 on the Celsius scale, partly cloudy skies.
In Los Cabos. We just landed in Los Cabos. It was a quick little 2-hour plane ride from Los Angeles to Cabo and a nice little like 40-minute drive from the airport to the Hilton Los Cabos. This is the first time that Trevor and I have actually been to Cabo, which is shocking because both of us are Southern California babies, and you would think it's a quick little plane ride over. Why haven't we ever been? That's what we were thinking. Why have we never been here before? Our room is a deluxe ocean view, and y'all, they were not kidding when they said ocean view because the view from our balcony is stunning. Stunning. But besides that, the room in general is actually pretty great. This is the grand entrance of our room, and right over here to my right is a closet. Pretty standard closet. You've got your hangers, your safe, a luggage carousel, an iron and an ironing board, and a full-length mirror. Hey, Trevor. And then you keep on walking, and over here is our gigantic bathroom. We have a gigantic bathtub, a gigantic walk-in shower. We have per se bath products. We have a shampoo, a conditioner, and a shower gel. And it is rosemary lavender scented, which is even better. Added bonus. Luxury, we love luxury. Here we're provided with 2 really comfy cozy robes, his and her robes. And we got a nice little private toilet and a sink with very generous counter space. And we've got a bathroom with a view. I could have done that an easier way, but I just chose to live my life more difficult than I should have. We have a comfy, cozy, king-size bed, and most importantly of all, we're gonna do a bed check. It's pretty cozy. Doesn't have that much plush, but it's still really comfy.
It's comfy.
Mm-hmm. And over here, we have a giant dresser to keep all of your knickknacks, including a lot of storage, and a mini fridge to keep your leftovers. You can keep a lot of undies in here. And right on top is a 55-inch television. And over here you have a dining table for 2. Ignore the clutter, we just got here. And we have a nice mini chaise lounge. Now let's get to the best part, our oceanfront view. As you can see, we have a beautiful view of the entire pool area of the resort, as well as the ocean and the lagoon. I feel like I'm in the show Laguna Beach, you know, when they go on spring break.
Yeah.
What happens in Cabo stays in Cabo. So nothing is gonna happen in Cabo. We're just gonna eat, drink, and play. That's it. That's my entire plan.
Be merry.
And be merry. Be married.
Yeah. Super nice resort, really nice room. I'm impressed. Given that we stayed at the Conrad, Tulum, this resort seems like it measures up pretty well. I'm excited to see what it has to offer during our stay here.
Now let's go make some reservations for dinner because I am starving.
Yeah, let's do that.
We're currently in search of how to get into the gym right now because we want to explore and see what they have just because I know we're going to use it. But right now we are making our way. Yeah, so we should be able to go in, but as of right now, we don't know how to. Oh, there's like an outdoor gym and an indoor gym, and so we're gonna try to get in through the outdoor gym. And if not, we can go to the front desk and see if they can help us. Wow. Look, guys.
It's not parasail, it's like a paraglider. With the little motor on the back.
Wow. We have some cable machines, medicine balls.
Oh, looks like very modern.
Oh, this is cool. Yeah, these are like modern kind of weight machines. I know. And then it like is a space saver for sure. So you can really get in like your whole workout.
They're really cool. They give you like really good range of motion.
Yeah.
So you're not like locked into it.
Mm-hmm. And they have the row machine, so you can do your whole Orange Theory fitness routine in here. They have free weights. They have smaller weights. It looks like they have all of the cable equipment and also bands. And then the cardio equipment. So they have the Stairmaster. They have the Sprint treadmills. They have the bikes and a ton of treadmills and ellipticals. They provide you with water, which is really nice. And Trevor's just informed me that there's a whole room in here.
It's a whole other weight.
Wow.
Squat rack. That's really nice for like,
And here,
full set of like barbells.
full barbells and dumbbells. Alright, so that's the gym tour. I don't know when we'll get in here, but I definitely want to use it. I brought 3 pairs of workout clothes, and yeah, let's see if we actually use them. I plan on it, so let's see. Y'all, we got super lucky the first night. The first night was a Saturday, and on Saturdays they have an all-you-can-eat Mexican buffet, which was a dream come true for Trevor and I because Mexican food is our #1 favorite food. They had everything from a fresh salad bar, a kids station, they had pozole, enchiladas, elote, anything that you can think of. And the best part is that they had all-you-can-eat chips and guac. Can we talk about heaven on earth? We were so lucky. I didn't know that this was happening at our hotel, but it was definitely a pleasant surprise. So I am starting off with some pork pozole, some pickled veggies, jicama, it looks like zucchini and carrots, and some chips, guac, and pico de gallo. What are you starting off with?
Got some pozole. I chicken mole enchilada, some guac, and some salsas.
Nice. And some Cadillac margaritas, obviously.
Yeah.
Okay, we are on our second plate. We have a tostada, salsa, carne asada. Under the tostada is a tamale. And we have some sea bass, an elote, grilled chicken, jicama, pickled veggies. Trevor pretty much got the same.
Yeah, got a fresh tortilla.
Yeah.
And a grilled pineapple.
We've reached the dessert portion of our tour. We have a churro with caramel, flan, and an empanada. And I'm pretty sure there's like fruit on the inside. But how beautiful is that? How brown is that? All my favorites. I've just had my first bite of churro, but I'll go for the second one, even though I'm so sweaty. Sorry, it's so humid. Crispy sweet goodness, it's delicious. Got some flan. We could not have asked for a better, more clearer day today. I am so excited to jump into that pool and into that ocean water. It's gonna be great. But first, we're gonna get ready and then go to breakfast. And then from there, just our plan is truly just to lay out and not have a care in the world. So let's go.
How are you today?
How are you?
So good.
Thank you, Carlos. What is this?
Hibiscus, mango, and lime.
Oh,
I
delicious.
hope you like it. I made it.
Oh, thank you.
Yes, appreciate it. It's a pleasure. Cheers.
Thank you. Look at how infinity this infinity pool is. Pretty infinity. We've been in the pool for like 2 hours, and so far I've had a shot of tequila, a Diet Coke, Trevor's had a beer, and then I really want a Shirley Temple and some French fries. That's all I want. That is all I want to make me happy at this current moment. I couldn't be any happier. But if there was Shirley Temple and a plate of fries right next to me, that would be amazing. Staff has been so accommodating, and they've been passing out little treats like frozen grapes, smoothies, like little things just to kind of make our experience better, which is awesome. The resort's not that busy right now. I think that this is nice because they have a little bit more extra time to add that little touch of care within every interaction. I mean, are we really surprised with Hilton? Never, never. Hilton is truly the best when it comes to hospitality, and this is truly like, this is it. This is solidifying it. There are cabanas over there that you can rent out for the day, which is kind of nice, and I kind of want to do it, but we have to see how much they are. But they have like these cabana sunbeds, and also the sunbeds that are in the water, which I'm like, come on. And over here is a swim-up bar, one of two. The other one is over by the adults only pool, which we should check out the adults only pool. Maybe tomorrow.
I forgot about that area.
Yeah. If you think this view is great, that view is amazing.
So tomorrow we're gonna go to Mercado. And on Tuesday we have the Sunset Cruise. So we gotta figure out something for Wednesday dinner.
That's true. Oh, we can go to that nice restaurant down the road.
The Bib Gourmand?
Yeah. We just spent a whole day just laying and drinking and lounging. And now
we're going to dinner at the Italian restaurant downstairs.
we'll see you there.